Respected viewers and learners, friends and guys, let us learn about spoken English. நமது மக்கள் அனைவருக்கும் பேசிக் இங்கிலீஷ் நாலேஜ் உள்ளது. எனவே எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் வேண்டாமே. Please watch this video presentation. It may be informative. In this video, we discuss about what is language in definition, ABC of language, 4C என்ன, interview English, formal and informal speech பற்றியும், characteristics of speech பற்றியும் மற்றும் conclusion. Reading maketh a full man, conference ready man, writing an exact man. This is a presented by R. Ravikrishnan. Hello respected viewers and learners, all about spoken English. Reading maketh a full man. Hello respected viewers and learners, all about spoken English. Spoken English, knowledge, understanding and application. What do you think in your mind that leads your action and speech? Learning means modification of one's behavior. Train your mind about the English language. It is stimulant to improve abilities and change the attitude of individual. Your attitude determines your altitude. Spoken language, knowledge, understanding and application. What do you think in your mind? Language is the media to express our idea. What is ABC of language? A for accuracy, B for brevity, C for courtesy. Accurate to the message. Brevity is soul of wit. Write and speak a crisp manner. Courtesy cost nothing but yields many things. Language is the media to express our idea. What is ABC of language? A for accuracy, B for brevity, C for courtesy. Accurate to the message. Brevity is the soul of wit. Write and speak crisp manner. Courtesy cost nothing but yields many things. Hello respected viewers and learners, all about English. Language is the media to express our idea. Speech is the media to express our idea. Speech can stir people to revolt. Speech can turn a hostile mob into friendly gathering and also turn a friendly gathering into hostile mob. Speech can build tension and it can relax tension. Speaking practice makes man perfect. Hello respected viewers and learners, all about spoken English. Speech is the media to express our idea. Speaking practice makes man perfect. Characteristics of good speech. Speech should be as clear as possible. Watch acronym. Watch your words, watch your accents, watch your thoughts, watch your character, watch your health. Characteristic of good speech. Speech should be as clear as possible. Hello respected viewers and learners, all about spoken English. Speech should be like talk, not like an essay. Our can opener can open a can that a can opener cannot open. If this can opener cannot open a can that a can opener can open a can, we give a can opener free. Speech should be understandable. Tongue twisters. Betty Butter bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought more better butter to make bitter butter better. Speech should be brief. God, generator, operator, and destroyer. Hello, respected viewers, all about spoken English. Speech should be like talk, not like an essay. Speech should be understandable. Speech should be interested. A salesperson sent to Africa for selling chapels, but all are barefooted, and he returned. Another person sent to same place. Immediately he ordered send 1,000 pairs of chapels, due to all are barefooted. Speech should be interested. Salesperson sent to Africa for selling chapels, but all are barefooted. Hello, you are requested to kindly subscribe and like this video. Friends, guys and learners, இந்த வீடியோ வந்து உங்களுக்கு பிடித்திருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இந்த வீடியோவிலேருந்து இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவாக இருக்கும். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். ஹலோ ரெஸ்பெக்டட் வியூவர்ஸ் அண்ட் லேர்னர்ஸ், ஆல் அபவுட் ஸ்போக்கன் இங்கிலீஷ். Hello respect and speech should be audience oriented. Live crafts இல்லை, லைவ் கிராப்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, அலைவ் கிராப்ஸ். சாரி ஃபார் த டைப்போகிராஃபிக்கல் எரர். It should be read as live grabs இல்லை, alive grabs. Alive grabs in a box sent to foreign, but all are intact. All grabs are in same box. Due to any grab try to come out, the other grab pull its leg. So all crabs never escape. Anyone wants to lead a new path, others never allow. We have to change our grab culture. Formal speech and informal speech in a lighter vein. A chemistry studied person speaks like this, math studied person speaks like this, and a banker speaks like this. Chemistry studied person's life is a chemistry, evaporate your sorrows and distill your difficulties and get residue as peace. Math studied person's a person speak life is like an life mass. We have to add our friends and subtract our enemies, and we multiply our happiness and divide our sorrows. Bankers speaks life is an asset in which grandparents are non-performing asset, parents are substandard assets, and children are standard asset. Hello, respected viewers and learners, all about spoken English. Diamond is evaluated by 4 C's: diamond cut, diamond color, diamond clarity, diamond carat, weight. Same way, communication, that is speaking or writing, requires 4 C's. Diamond is evaluated by 4 C's: diamond cut, diamond color, diamond clarity, diamond carat. Same way, communication is speaking or writing requires 4 C's. Speaking or writing requires 4 C's: conciseness, courtesy, clarity, correctness. Conciseness lies in one's capacity to say minimum of words. Conciseness means maximum thoughts and minimum words. Speaking or writing requires 4 C's: conciseness, courtesy, clarity, correctness. Conciseness lies in one's capacity to say minimum of words. Conciseness means maximum thoughts and minimum words. All about spoken English. Courtesy makes friends. Use polite words. Use magical words. Please, thank you, all the best. Clarity of communication should be as clear. Should be clear and unambiguous. Clear thinking leads to clear communication. Correctness. Communication should be correct in every respect, every aspect. The information must be correct and complete. Courtesy makes friends. Clarity of communication should be clear and unambiguous. Clear thinking leads to clear communication. Correctness. Communication should be correct in every respect. Speech is silver and silence is gold. Silence is more eloquent than words. Idea is paramount importance. Always idea rules the world, always. Idea become thoughts, thought become words, words become action, action become habit, habit become behavior, behavior become personality, personality become image. Hello, respected viewers and learners, all about spoken English. Speech is silver, silence is gold. Silence is more eloquence than words. Idea is paramount importance. Always ideas rules the world, always. Idea how become one person's image. Idea how become one person's image. Self-explanatory. Free or hang. Hang him, not free him. Hanging him, not free him. Nowadays, soft skills are absolutely needed for individuals. Inter and intrapersonal relationship purpose, we have to communicate effectively. Facts, ideas, and interaction for the conveying the message. Hang him, not free him. Hang him, not free him. Same sentence. Small pause or comma. It is change the one person's destiny or fate. Soft skills are at present needed. Our interview English. Interview is nothing but good conversation. We have to speak with confidence and clarity of thought and analytical ability and subject knowledge and body language. Communicate clearly, read selectively, talk briefly. Grammar means the rules and principles for the correct use of a language. Interview English and grammar. And grammar is grammar means the rules and principles for the correct use of a language. Communicate clearly, read selectively, talk briefly. Respected unauthorized proficiency. By consideration and consultation, I came to the conclusion that the matriculation examination is botheration to Indian nation whose occupation is cultivation. No sentence is end because is a conjunction. Generator, operator, and destroyer. Hello, respected viewers and learners, all about English. Proficiency of unauthorized. No sentence end because is a conjunction. God is acronym. Respected unauthorized proficiency. While speaking, distance is also available. Physical space communicate four kinds of interpersonal distance: intimate distance, family; personal distance, friends; social distance, colleagues and society; public distance, stage speaking. A good communication should also be complete, coherent, concrete, compact, creative, cheerful, and considerate. Clear thinking leads to clear writing and speaking. Next conclusion. Next conclusion. All are ready to start the conversation or write how to write, but only some of the persons are known how to conclude. We should be one among them. Hello. Intimate distance, personal distance, social distance, and public distance. Many persons ready to start conversation or to write, but only some of the persons are know how to conclude. We should be one among them. Mating and parting is the way of life. Parting and missing is the cope of life. It is the way of life. Hope we will meet in next episode. Thank you, one and all.